Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick and practical tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a text layer in Figma. Whether you're cleaning up a busy design file or just made a tiny typo and want it gone, you'll be able to swiftly and confidently remove any text layer you don't need. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and by the end of this video, deleting text layers will feel second nature in your Figma workflow. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first step is to select the text you want to delete. Now, this might sound obvious, but sometimes finding the exact text layer can be tricky, especially if your design is full of overlapping elements or you're working with a team. So take a moment to carefully click on the text you want to remove. You'll know it's selected because you'll see a bounding box appear around the text, and the layer will also be highlighted in the Layers panel on the left side of your Figma screen. If you ever have trouble selecting the text directly on the canvas, don't forget you can use that Layers panel. Just scroll through, find your text layer, and click to select it. This method gives you precise control and helps avoid accidentally moving or editing the wrong part of your design. Once you've got your text layer selected, you have a couple of ways to remove it. The first way is using your keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+X if you're on Windows, or Command+X if you're working on a Mac. Now, what this does is it actually cuts the selected text layer. It completely removes it from your document, but also copies it to your clipboard in case you want to paste it somewhere else later. Think of it like snipping something out of a magazine. It's gone from the page, but you can still decide to glue it down elsewhere if you change your mind. This is especially handy if you're reorganizing your designs and not 100% sure you want that text totally gone from your project. If you just want to get it out of sight, but keep the option to paste it elsewhere, Ctrl or Command+X is your best friend. But maybe you're certain that the text just needs to disappear. You never want to see it again. In that case, while the text is selected, all you need to do is press the Delete key on your keyboard. That's it. The selected text layer vanishes instantly, no extra steps required. There's no confirmation box or anything fancy, it's just gone, letting you move forward without any extra clutter. Don't worry if you make a mistake, because Figma's undo feature, that's Ctrl+Z or Command+Z, can always bring your text back, so deleting is actually a pretty low-stress move. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Select the text layer you want to remove, then either cut it with Ctrl or Command+X, or delete it outright with the Delete key. It's super simple, but knowing these options can really help you work faster, especially if you're editing lots of text or collaborating with others in Figma. Hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any tricky spots or have questions about other Figma features. I love helping you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy designing.